Okay, today we are going to learn order operations. It is very important. It's something that you just learn in P5. So it's like almost 100% that you will come out. So you need to learn how to solve it. Yeah. So, and for this order operation, you cannot use calculator. Okay, we need to learn the rules so that you know how to solve this question the same way the calculator solved the question, the same way as anyone else. Okay, so there's a set of rules that you have to follow. But of course, we also will review other stuff also. Yeah, like place values. Okay, if you all went through the worksheet, you all know that the questions that we're going to go through. But my emphasis today is the order of operations. Okay. And then of course, in the middle, we'll play Kahoot. Yeah, so you also get ready for that. Wait, I think for this time around, I have a better idea. I'll put the link in the chat later. Okay, then you'll just click on the link. Maybe it's if you are using the same device to play it. Okay, let's start. Okay, this one last week we talked about this, but let's say it again. You all can unmute and answer me again. What is 1 kg is to how many gram? 1 kg is how many gram? Who can tell me? Remember last lesson, do you all go back and look at the slides that I saved and upload? Yeah, you all can do that, yeah? Review the slides that we went through in class with all the notes that I wrote. Okay? Last week we talked about it. kg. kg stands for kilograms. Anything that starts with kilo stands for 1,000. Okay, that's how you understand maths using English. Correct? So we know that 1 kg is equal to 1,000 gram. Same thing, 1 km is also 1,000 meter. 1 liter is 1,000 ml. These are the 3 units of measurements that usually will come out. Okay, for 1,000. Then we also talk about $1 is 100 cents. We also talk about 1 meter is 100 cm. Yeah. Is there any other measurements that I haven't talked about that came out before? Okay, there is 1 hour is 60 minutes. Okay, of course, we still have those basic ones, right? Like 1 day got 24 hours, 1 week got 7 days, 1 year got 365 days, 1 year got 12. Most likely they'll tell you 1 year got 12 months. Because 365 is actually not that accurate. Yeah, so they most likely will tell you 1 year got 12 months. Must know, this is all basic concept, must know. Okay, so now let's talk about this. Okay, so when we want to change kg to gram, we need to multiply by 1,000. Yeah, so 21.94. When we multiply by 1,000, actually I shouldn't write it here. I just realized. Let me. Okay, never mind, it's okay. Okay. We done 1,000. Last week we also talked about how do we multiply by multiples of 10, right? There is 30, which means we have to shift this decimal point 3 times to the right. When there's an empty space here, we just put a 0, which means it's 21940. Okay, now let's check again. 1, 2, 3. For this type of shifting of decimal point, I always check. It's very simple one, right? It's just 1 second to check whether you shift correctly. Understand? But what if we want to shift it back? What if an extra question? What if I ask you 1, 2, 3, 4 grams? It's how many kg? Excuse me. Can you all type for me in the chat? Oh, I mean, type in the chat. Tell me what's the answer. Make a guess if you don't know. No one is telling me anything. Oops, I'll hide it in another screen. Adele, are you trying to talk to me? You're muted if you are trying to talk to me. Yeah. You can type in the chat. If you don't know, you write IDK. Okay? If you don't know, you give up, you write IDK. So that we don't wait and meaninglessly. But you have an idea, then you just share with the class. Okay, I have one answer. Jerome, what about you? No? Okay. So what we do is, you see, when we multiply by 1,000, we shift it to the right. So we have to rewind, okay? Work backwards in that sense, okay? We shift it. Oopsie. That's my solution. Okay. Let me use my pen. Okay. So we shift 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, because there's 3 0, right? You have to shift 3 times. When it's a whole number, your decimal point is right at the end. Okay, so it's 1.234. Don't worry, when we go through decimals, we will talk more about this. Okay, this just give you an idea first. Okay, so basically, that's how we change kg to grams and grams to kg. Okay. Don't worry about it. When we talk about decimals, we'll go through more in depth. We'll do more practice later. Okay. Next. Okay, so this is how we do it. Okay, this one, your two got a lot of mistake. So let's go through one by one. Okay. Actually, only to me, only B is difficult. The rest should be quite simple. Okay, because 9,000 actually stands for 9,000. There's nothing special, right? It's exactly as what it says. So it's just like that. We write it in numbers and then we add them together. Simple addition, we know it's 9,200. Correct? B is the one that's more interesting. Okay, 91,000. Remember we talked about this last week? When we have numbers and words, you can treat them the relationship as multiply. And when we multiply by 1,000, that's 3 0. So we add 3 0 at the back. That's it. Right? So 91,000, 9,100. Remember? Hundreds. 100. Right? Got 2. Right? This one got 3. Okay, you can think it this way. Yeah. Another way you can think it is the last digit will be in this place value. 1 in 100. Can see? This one is in the thousands. Okay, then you have to calculate it, and that's the answer. So not all questions of place value is very direct, like question like 2A. Okay, some you have to add it up together. Okay, 5 million, just remember, is 60 at the back, right? So after that, we just add the 5,000s. Yeah, same with D also. Okay? Okay? Give me a thumbs up if you are okay. Thumbs up. Okay, Adele is okay. Jerome? Okay, yours is not the real thumbs. Okay, but can. Let's go on. Okay, how do we divide? Last week, we also talked about it. Okay. So, I told you all to divide by the non-zero digit. So, in this case, but sometimes you also have to use the 0, right? For this case. But the very first step we do is we cancel off the 0. So in this case, we cross it out, cross it out, cross it out. So now we know is 31,000 divided by 2. If you want, you do a long division. 2, 1, put 3 0, right? And then divide by 2. So there's 1, 2, this 2. Cancel, bring it down. Cannot. So it's 0. Then you bring down the 0. It's 5. 5 times 2 is 10. And after that, it's just all zero thing. Yeah, minus 0. Zero, zero. Okay, that's how you get it. Of course, you also can take it in terms of this, because you need an even number to divide by a 2, right? Next one is easier. Okay, you cancel 2 0 from each side. 369 is a multiples of 3. I mean, each digit is a multiples of 3, so it's very easy to see, right? It's just 3 divided by 3, 1. 6 divided by 3, 2. 9 divided by 3, 3. Then you just add a 0 at the back. Okay, following up. 3C, there's 3 0, so same thing. We cancel 3 0. So it's just 248 divided by 2. Very simple. Long division can be done. Okay. Next one, same thing. Cancel in exchange, right? 1 for 1. Okay. Then we just divide. Is the division okay? Or you want me to show you the long division? If it's okay, thumbs up. If it's not okay, then I do the long division. Thumbs up. Okay. Then let's move on to the next one. Okay, so now just now is division, now it's multiplication. This is the extra question. Okay, so please do it and then type it out or in the chat. Okay, right. A is A bracket, then what's the answer? Or just A the answer, B answer, C answer, D answer. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, very, very simple. I'll do the first one for an example. Then after that, you will try the rest. Okay. So same thing, as I said, we multiply the non-zero digit. So we take 46, multiply by 3 first. Okay, 46, multiply by 3. 46 times 3. It's 138. So it's 138. Then we have 1 0 here, right? So we add the 0 at the back. That's it. Very simple. So give me the answer for 3B, 3C, 3D. I give you 1 minute. Should be enough time. I hope. If you have any issue, you can just message me. Yeah, because it's a private message, right? So it's fine. Don't be shy. Yeah. We get to know each other last lesson already. Let's see. I have your answer. I think you have trouble with C. Why is that so? C, you both get it wrong. Okay, let's do it together then. Okay, why? C is very hard, is it? Come, let me do the working together. Oops. 294 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 plus 1 is 28. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 2 is 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Yeah? So we get 882. Then here got 20, right? 882. Can you see it? 882. That's it. It's a very simple 3-digit times 1-digit calculation. Yeah, okay. I saw that you message the correct answer. Okay, so just like that. Okay, maybe it's just a calculation error. Okay, because I see that you all know how to multiply by multiples of 2, multiples of 10 when you get B and D correct. Good. Okay. I have another. I thought she said she attend another lesson. Let me admit the student for a moment while we move on to the next question. Okay. Okay, let's talk about this question.